Time to share another awesome photo location here in Sacramento. I am here in the Railyards area. Can't wait to share it. Here we go. All right, guys, like I said, in the Railyards area, focusing on the bridges here. So there are two kind of newer bridges that go over the railroad tracks that lead to the Railyards. I think it's 5th Street and 7th Street. 5th and 7th or 5th and 6th, honestly, I'm not totally sure. But they're two bridges that go over these railroad tracks. They offer really cool, really interesting, unique views of downtown. This area just kind of recently opened up. There's a lot of new stuff here, a lot of empty lots, a lot of parking. Like, there just really isn't a whole ton here. But it offers some unique, interesting, and cool views of downtown, kind of a backwards perspective of downtown. Typically, you see downtown from the other side. This is kind of the opposite of what you typically see as far as views of the skyline. So I'm gonna explore these two bridges, get some cool shots of the Railyards, get some cool shots of downtown, see if I can get some interesting kind of cinematic shots, maybe some time lapses, and just kind of try to see if I can get creative and get some different stuff here. I'm gonna see if I can get the drone up as well. I think that'd be really cool to get some shots of the Railyards downtown from a different perspective, use the bridges as kind of leading lines. Could be cool, could be interesting. I'm excited to explore here though. So here we go, let's get it. All right, so now I'm up here on what is the 5th Street bridge. So like I said, there's two bridges, one here, one on the other side. This one has some really cool views of the Railyards, which is an old rail yard district. Used to be a huge part of the city. They've been empty for a while. They are now being redone, rebuilt, revitalized to be like some retail, residential, kind of a whole new district here in Sacramento. Really cool views of downtown as well from the bridge. Just an interesting vantage point. I'm gonna get some shots of the Railyards here. Those will be some cool pictures to look back on when the project's done. And also I'm gonna get some shots of downtown from here as well. But yeah, interesting, kind of cool vantage point that's different, something unique. All right, so this behind me is what I was really looking to get, is a cool shot here of the skyline, as you can see over my shoulder. I love the different types of buildings here. The kind of cluster behind me with the old buildings, new buildings, different colored buildings, the old gray ones from the 90s, the old historic one here, the green trees, a ton to see, man. Super detailed, interesting shot. So I'm gonna try to get some cool photos of this, get a cool like cinematic shot. I didn't bring my tripod. I wanted to do a time lapse, get some clouds. There aren't as many clouds as I was kind of hoping for. I might have to come back and try to get a better time lapse, but love this shot, love this perspective of downtown right here. All right, now I'm walking in between the 5th and 6th Street bridges. So all the shots that you saw earlier were from the 5th Street bridge. Now I'm walking to the 6th Street bridge. There's this kind of like awkward space in between the two bridges. I don't know what they're gonna do there. That's just like kind of weird. It seems like bad planning now looking at it. Like just a really awkward space there. Maybe a park eventually or something. But you can see kind of not a whole lot happening out here. There is the AJ building that we did a meetup at a couple months ago. So that's kind of happening. Behind, you can kind of see they're doing the Sac Republic Stadium out there, and then the Kaiser is coming out over here. So it should be pretty popping in a few years over here, but right now, a whole lot of nothing, man. But I'm gonna see what the view is like from this side as well. I was expecting the 5th Street side to be better, so I don't have high hopes as far as shots from this side, but it's worth checking out. So I'm gonna go check it out right now. And that's pretty much a wrap here in this area. I'm really happy with what I was able to get here as far as perspectives, unique looks of the skyline of downtown, some interesting shots of the rail yards. I think those rail yard shots are going to be really cool, especially as time goes on. That space fills out. It's going to be cool to be able to look back at those photos and do some before and after kind of stuff. Ton of potential here in this area. I think it's only going to get better. There's only going to be more added, and hopefully we get some cool buildings with some more nice views of downtown. But overall, solid area. I'm gonna try to put the drone up and get some drone shots here as well, so I'll finish off the video with some drone shots. But overall, happy with it. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more locations here in Sac and all over, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.